Aloha and welcome to UH West Oahu. This video is going to be a tour of Laulima. To navigate to Laulima, you can either start at our homepage and click on the Laulima link, or you can type in laulima.hawaii.edu. You'll need your UH username and password to log in, and the first thing that you'll see when you get there is My Workspace. You can find information about system outages or upgrades in this space. You can click on your class tab at the top to navigate to the homepage of your class. If you don't see it there, then you can click on the Sites icon and find your class that way. Your class homepage will probably look different, but you can usually find contact info on this area. Let's start with announcements. Announcements is a tool that your instructor can use to deliver information to everyone. So in addition to finding announcements here in the announcements tool, you may also receive an email with the announcement. And if you go back to the homepage, you'll also find this area with the announcement there. So it'll have a collection of the latest announcements from the course. The next tool I'd like to show you is syllabus. If your pop-up is blocked, you may need to follow the directions on your browser to access your syllabus. Your syllabus is your contract between your instructor and you as the student about what you will be learning and when you will be learning it during the semester. So it's really important to pay attention to your syllabus and know what's in it. Notice that if we scroll down to the end of this, we also have a class schedule. So that way the students for this course will be able to know what to expect in the weeks following the semester and be able to plan accordingly. Now let's take a look at weekly lessons. This tool is a way for instructors to distribute information and to create a place for students to access the information for the class, as well as the assignments that they will be expected to complete during the week. Not all instructors will use the lessons tool. Some may use another tool called modules, which is very similar in that it's a deliverable tool. Now let's take a look at resources. Resources is kind of like an online filing cabinet. Instructors can store links to readings or links to assignments or rubrics in this area, and then students can access the information here. Instructors may also create links within the distribution tools to this tool. Assignments. This is where a student would go to deliver finished work. So let's take a look at the broken game modification. The first thing that you'll see are the instructions for this assignment, and then you can begin the assignment. So there are further instructions and then an area for you to add your answer. So things can be typed in. I suggest typing it someplace else, like in Google Docs, and then pasting it there, just in case the system goes down, you'll have a backup. Forums. Forums is a discussion tool in Laulima. There's another tool that works as a discussion tool as well called Discussions and Private Messages. It's really up to the instructor, but the idea is that your instructor can post questions here and then the class can have conversations and dialogue online. So you can start a conversation to answer the discussion question. You can add your message here and then post it to share with the class. The email tool in Laulima is used to send out mail but not to receive. So you can email anyone in the course with this tool, but if you want to receive the messages, then you have to actually log into your UH Gmail. Gradebook is a way for your instructor to communicate your grades for assignments. So notice that nothing has been graded for this area, but when it is graded, then you'll see a grade update there. Meetings is an online web conferencing tool that your instructor can use to meet with you synchronously. So when you have a meeting, you'll see a link and you'll click on it and then be in a meeting with your instructor. If you have any questions about Laulima, you can email us at uhwode@hawaii.edu. On behalf of the Office of Distance Learning, we hope that you have a great semester.